The mirror tools provide ways for mirroring geometry. There are actually two mirroring tools that come with TrueSpace. One is native and the other is a free plugin. Both work in different ways and both are demonstrated. Click on the table object. Notice that it is only a portion of a table. We are going to use the mirror tools of TrueSpace to finish it off. First we will use the native TrueSpace mirror tool. The mirror tool will always mirror the selected geometry across the world XZ plane. The geometry is flipped across this plane and not duplicated. For duplication to occur, you must copy the geometry first. The position of this plane is determined by the location of the object axis, which gives us some control over the output. For example, if we move the axis up here and mirror, the object will flip here. With the axis down here, the object will flip here. If the axis is in the middle of the object, it will flip but stay in the same place. UV mapping is maintained. Let's move the axis here and copy the geometry. When we mirror the copy, we see that the mirror image slightly intersects with the original. Notice that the axis of both pieces of geometry are in the same place. When we Boolean the two pieces together, this will guarantee that the axis is in the middle. Our table is half finished. By rotating 90 degrees and moving the axis close to the edge, our mirrored copy will flip to here. And with a Boolean add operation, we now have a complete table. This is to the extent of the native TrueSpace mirror tool. Clear the screen and click on the table object again. This time we will use the Simply Symmetry plugin by MindFusion Corp. I have the plugin loaded and placed next to the native TrueSpace mirror tool. This plugin only requires you to select a single face of a single object, and with a click of the icon will duplicate the geometry across the selected face, welding it to the copy of the original. This will work on any face in any direction. Again, UV mapping is maintained. The original is left untouched, and in this case, we will delete it. After we remove an edge and select the end face, a click of the tool will complete the table for us. Delete the original again and render.